ما هو آت قريب وللأرض من كل حي نصيب.
Wallahi, I am very impressed about this Islamic University of Pakistan. It is the Jamia tur Rasheed. I'm very impressed about the fiqh section. You have about 30 faqih which are working full-timer, and they are well connected with the outside world. And you have a very good system that the question go through stages until you reach the correct fatwa. And you have access to some 3.5 million document, which is all the digitalized in the computer. Okay, you are well confident. That's what the added value, that you are confident. You know where you're going. Okay, and I think this product, okay, this should be transferred to other Muslim country. I would say Kuwait, for example. And I would like to, inshallah, ask the head of the Department of IFTA in Kuwait to come and visit you, inshallah, here. And inshallah, you introduce your system to him with the hope that you will transfer it to Kuwait. Because at the end, the whole thing, that you want the word of God, okay, to be heard. Because you are تتكلمون عن الله سبحانه وتعالى في هذه المسائل. وهذه أمانة. Also, I am very impressed about the people over here. They all have the Quran, mashallah, and they read it not with Ajami tongue. No, they read it with Arabic tongue. This morning, mashallah, this Sheikh, mashallah, he was reading Quran with Arabic tongue. It's not Ajami tongue. Okay, and you cannot even tell the different. Where is he from? Mashallah.
ألا كل ما هو آت قريب وللأرض من كل حي نصيب وللناس حب لطول البقاء فيها